everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today we are going to unbox a Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 12 cup food processor that we ordered just a few days ago. So we have to buy a new one because our old one is not working that good anymore. It's like 20 years old, 20 something years old processor, and some of the buttons are not working anymore, so we have to get a new one. And it's here, it's in a box. I already cut the tape, and we're going to take it out. The top is what are these? Let me see. The very first box on top, there's some parts. I don't know yet. What are the parts? So it looks like it's packed really good. There. Oh, there's a blade. Be very careful. So my old one is very small. Not very small, but it's small. Looks like this one is a lot bigger. This is the top. Manual. Another box. Looks like there's another part here. There you go. And here it is. It's really big. And there's one more. I think this is the bottom where the buttons are located. All right. I don't know if you can see it. We are going to unwrap them.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you!
This is the plug. These are the buttons. There are 4 buttons. Off, slice and shred, puree and mix, pulse to chop. Alright. We have to check the manual because this is our first buy. This is our first purchase of this kind of processor. Alright, so this is called the base. This is the control panels, the buttons. This is the bowl, the non-removable motor shaft, the spout. Next, this one is the small food pusher. You push it here on top, here. This is for the large food pusher. So we have the small one, which is this transparent one, and the black one is for the big food or the large food. There's a max line here. Now this is where you feed, and then this is where you check if it's already in the max line. And then lid latches. We are going to remove the tape. It's packed really good. So this is the lid or the latch for the lid, and then this is the lid. There you go. This one, it's the chopping or mixing blade. There are only 2 blades. Oh, really sharp. And then this one is the reversible slicing or shredding disc. If you want to shred, this one is the disc for shredding. This one is used to shred or to slice variety of foods such as cheese, carrots, onions, tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. For this one is for coarsely chopped, grated, minced, mixed, or puree food. So you know the difference. Before first use, unpack processor and remove protective covers from the blade and disc. Handle blade and disc carefully. They are very sharp. Wash all parts except base in hot soapy water. Rinse and then dry. So you wash everything but the base. So before we wash it, we'll wash it later. We are going to install them. Put them together. Handle blade carefully. It is sharp. Make sure unit is turned off. It's unplugged. So it's unplugged. Not operate using only one blade or disc at a time. So we cannot use two blades, this one and the other one. We have to use one at a time. Number 1, place bowl on base. Make sure protective cover has been removed from blade to prevent damage and scratches to bowl. Carefully slide blade down onto the motor shaft. Okay, let's put the bowl. Hold on. Wrong one. Here. There you go. And then number 2, we already put this. This is number 2. Number 3, you can put anything. Number 4, place lid on bowl. Put the lid. There you go. You can see where the spout is. And then until unit will not work unless latches on bowl are locked. So it has to be locked. This one. Hold on, huh? It's not balanced. Uh-oh. I'm afraid to break it. There's something missing. There you go. It feels like it's not really sturdy. I'm afraid to put it down, push it down. There you go. I feel like I'm breaking it. Place food pusher. This one, if it's large. If it's large food. Oh. And for this is for small food. Unit will not operate until large food pusher engages the protective interlock. Do not add food above the max fill line. Place food pushers in the food bin. How to use chopping mixing blade continues. Place desired function button. So the button's here. We will try this later. When finished, press off and unplug. How to use reversible sliding shredding disc. So you put them together. Put this one. You take the other one out and you put this. And then place the lid bowl, making sure to align. We will show this next videos when we are going to use it. And then put the food here. Put the carrots or whatever you want, tomatoes, pepper, whatever you want to shred. Alright, so that's it. So this is unboxing video. Care and cleaning, troubleshooting. This is this is nice. The manual has recipes that you can use later. Roasted red pepper hummus, fresh and spicy salsa, cilantro butter, Cajun veggie gratin, blue cheese dressing, cranberry orange relish, and warranty, What else do we have in here? And a lot more. Oh, there's different languages. So this is Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor, and it is 120 volts. So this is for American use. There you go. This is how big this processor is. So you can the capacity is 12 cups. So if you have a lot of cutting to do or a lot of shredding to do, this is perfect because its capacity is 12 cups. So we bought this for, and this is not sponsored, so I'm just doing this for sharing with you guys. This is $60, $59.99. If you are a Prime, I put this in Amazon. If you're a Prime member, then you don't have to pay for the shipping. So $59.99. It is manual. The color is black. It's 450 watts. And the weight of the item, well, I think this is with the box is 6.5 pounds. Number of speeds 2, and it's a dishwasher safe. If you have a dishwasher, then you can put it in your dishwasher. There you go. Oh, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all.